favorite drink that I just discovered in Spain called Tinto de Verano. It feels like summer, and having it on a hot day is super refreshing, and it also tastes really good. So I'm going to show you how to make this drink. So today I'm going to show you how to make Tinto de Verano, and it's a very popular drink in Spain, and it's super refreshing on the really warm days, and it's made from red wine and lemon soda. So what you'll need for this recipe is a red wine. You can choose any red wine. I have a little bit of lemons, and also a lemon lime soda. So I have Fanta, which is a pineapple soda, and this is a little twist on the Tinto that I really like. Or I have Squirt, which is very citrusy, or you can even use Sprite. And this is super simple to make. It's only going to take a few minutes, so let's go ahead and jump on into it. Okay, so take an empty bottle or carafe, and in this case I'm using an empty bottle because in Spain they make their Tinto in the empty soda bottles and they put them in the fridge so it gets nice and cold. So then take your bottle and you're going to fill it halfway with the red wine. Now some people like their Tinto either more winey or more on the soda side, so you can feel free to experiment with this later and put either more or less wine. Okay, so that's about half. Alright, that's it. Now you take your lemon lime soda. Let's go ahead and use the Squirt today. Now in Spain they do have the brand Fanta, so that was usually what I bought. They have a lemon lime Fanta out in Spain, but I found it really hard to find here in the US, so I found Squirt as a replacement. So let's go ahead and fill that halfway with the soda. Now, I really love this drink. This is my favorite drink to have. Woo! Look at all those bubbles. So yeah, you want to put the wine in first because when you put the soda in, you're going to see it get all bubbly and fizzy. Okay, there you have it. Then you want to just put the top on and just mix it up a little bit. So we'll go ahead and mix it. Just mix it around just a little bit. It is soda, so you don't want to mix too much because it will bubble all up. Alright, and there you have it. Then you take a glass. We're going to go ahead and fill this up with some ice. Alright. It's been a while since I had this, so I'm looking forward to tasting it. Alright, let's have our Tinto. Oh, that is so good. I love this drink. I really, really love it. Sorry, one more sip. So if you make this drink at home, make sure to come back and tell me how you liked it. And if you want more videos about drinks that I found traveling across the world and to show you those recipes, make sure to let me know because I would love to make the videos that you want to watch. But thanks for watching, and cheers to you and cheers to travel.